Yes, what we see is companies reporting a strong current business situation that's kind of compatible, but then expectations are slightly more pessimistic. And what's going on here is two things. First of all, companies see that infection numbers aren't really going down, although an increasing share of the population at least got its first vaccine. And the second issue is deliveries of intermediate product, in particular semiconductors. 45% of all manufacturing companies report problems here, and this is a historic high. We've never had, at least since German reunification, we've never had this value of companies reporting problems with deliveries. So this is serious, and that explains why the values have come in a little lower.
And you're seeing it today, for example. One stock that we're watching very closely is VW. The stock, again, being hit by supply chain issues when it comes to chip makers. So it's something that has affected multiple industries. Is it fair to say that when you think about the forecast for the German economy, despite the strength in manufacturing, the latest numbers do show that it's going to take a longer time for the German economy to get back to pre-COVID levels now?
I think this depends on how these delivery problems evolve over the coming weeks. If this continues to be a problem, yes, we may end up with slower growth. The other issue is obviously the vaccines. If the progress with the vaccines continues, currently the assumption in our forecast is it'll be done in the summer. If not, we have a problem, and growth will indeed be significantly lower, but I think we aren't there yet.
Sir, a pretty staggering percentage there, 45% of all manufacturing companies experiencing some kind of supply disruption. What is the sense as to when these supply disruptions will actually ease?
That's very difficult to predict. If the reason is that there is just strong demand worldwide, partly as a result of the push in digitization that came during the pandemic, this may not ease very quickly, because building up capacities in the semiconductor industry takes time, and companies need to be pretty sure that this demand will be high for a long time. So if that's the reason, if capacity restrictions in the semiconductor industries are the reason, this may take a longer time, so more than just a couple of weeks. So this is a reason for concern.